Impactful and meaningful lessons. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. Albert Einstein. Maths is not about committing rules to memory. It is about understanding the rules and applying the rules. Sometimes it is not necessary that you know the exact name for the rule, but as long as you know its purpose. You do not need to know the name of a screwdriver, but you may know that it is used to tighten or loosen screws. You need to know the function of the tool and not the name of the tool. And this is why we try to teach everything, the why and the how. This is why we teach the why and how. It's the exact same reason why. Because there's this common idea that students need to review their material before they write a paper. I spend most of my time on the theory aspects. I don't really care much about practice questions because I knew if I understood theory well enough, I was able to solve any question that I was presented with. Questions will change, theory won't. This is why we try to make our lessons as impactful and meaningful as possible. And giving this, when you start linking stuff, that is one of the effective ways of learning things is by linking them. Once you know how things link, then the topic becomes a bit more interesting. You're not so as opposed to learning seven different things, you're actually learning one thing. It's the same idea, but you're just learning seven different parts to makes up that one idea. As opposed to being taught just seven different ideas. You understand what I'm saying? Right? So if you have a cube or something, there's maybe seven different parts that make up that cube, that one cube, as opposed to just learning seven different cubes entirely. Right? This is why we make our lessons impactful and meaningful, so that you can take something from it, and it's not about just committing rules to memory. A couple of years down the line, you need to be able to solve the same problems that you were given. And irrespective, like I said, irrespective of whether you understand the theory or not, you must somehow come to certain conclusions to solve that problem.